So pretty out here. It's like so cold, but there's still light. And the street lamps are on already, even though there's a lot of light. I just came to check my mail real quick. I have my Boxy charm, I hope, in here. Hi guys, Beth here. So it is late. It is 5:30 right now. I worked all day. I just had dinner, so I am so beat. But I got my Boxy charm today, and I don't want to move it around too much because it's kind of heavy and I don't want to break anything in there, but I wanted to share that with you guys today. I've been watching everybody's updates on their Boxy charms, and I was just like, I can't wait to get mine. And I knew it was going to come today because I've been checking the tracking like every day for the last 3 days. And I just decided to go out there. So I inserted a clip at the beginning of the video of me going to the mailbox just because it's like that time of year where it could snow and we're just waiting for it. So I'm kind of excited about that. I just pray that there's enough moisture in the air so that way we could get some snow because our mountains do need it. Actually, I'm going to flip it back over this way because it was, I guess I had it upside down. I don't know. So I'm just opening it. I just undid the tape. Now, I did do the choice option where they give you an option of 2 items, and I did choose one. I'll pull that out first to share with you guys. And I did order from the pop-up this time around. I really wanted to order from the pop-up, and what I got for my choice is this Avant micellar water. Now it's valued at $90, and I thought this gots to be good, right? I've never had a micellar water before. The only thing I've had is that Sephora, maybe that's a micellar water. I don't know. It's a pink one though in my 50 Shades of Pink project pan. But this is super cold. It's a biphase hyaluronic acid rejuvenating micellar water. I ordered this also in the pop-up, so I will be getting another one of these. So I really hope that I like it because I'm gonna have 2. Okay, and I did get a card, and I'm gonna show you guys the variation. Usually I get like a number, but this time I got this code here. And yeah, so okay, so let's see, what did I get? I got the Pharmacy Daily Greens Oil-Free Gel Moisturizer, which I was hoping I would get. I've seen most people get this in their boxes, so I feel like they had a lot of these on hand for the month of January, and I've never tried Pharmacy before, so I'm so excited to have it. It says it's an oil-free gel moisturizer. I know my friend Reed here on YouTube said that this would be good for this dry weather, so I'm looking forward to using this. The next, oh, and that is the Pharmacy moisturizer is retailed at $38. The next item, I'm trying not to look, is a Bali lip balm. Oh no, I got the one I didn't want. It's a sweet orange and coconut lip balm. I hope it doesn't smell too much like coconut because I throw up with coconut. I do have some stuff that's coconut scented, but when I was younger, I had an incident where, oh, you did not want to be around me when I got near coconut. But yeah, so let's see. It's kind of minty, but I do smell the coconut, you guys. I might have to pass this along to like my sister. Oh. Okay, so I'm gonna have to pass it along to someone, I think. I'm not sure. I do have a lot of lippies, so I could probably pass it along to her. She'll probably enjoy it. And it does look kind of luxurious. Oh, it says hashtag kisstheplanet.org. I guess I don't know if this is, if they're donating to that, to the cause. It says bee friendly, so they're friendly to bees. Oh, I love companies like this where they, you know, they support nature. The packaging is recyclable. It's made in the USA, so no big carbon footprint, hopefully. This looks like such a good brand, so I'm gonna have to go check them out. But that was retailed at $33. Wow, that's a lot. It says it's packed with vitamin C and it protects against free radicals. And it just says how good coconut is for your skin, I guess. Okay, the next item, you guys, is the Dr. Brandt Do Not Age with Dr. Brandt. I guess I'm getting the old lady box. It's a triple peptide eye cream. And yeah, it's Dr. Brandt. So cool. We'll try this. We'll see. We'll see how that works under my eyes. This is retailed at $82. Oh my goodness. Okay. That's a lot of money. I don't think I can afford $82 for that eye cream. Maybe for a perfume though. I know I'm ridiculous. Okay, and the palette I got was the Ciate one. I didn't want the Ciate one. I kind of wanted the Violet Voss one, but it's all right. I did in the pop-up order a palette, so you guys will see that coming soon. I actually made 2 pop-up orders, so it's going to count against me this month. I'm losing 3 points to Boxy Charm, 1 for their base box, and 2 points for the pop-up because I ordered 2 different times. So here is the palette. So if you're new to my channel or you're not aware, me, Nat, and Dee Dee's Beauty and More, Little Miss Nat and Dee Dee's Beauty and More, we're doing like this eyeshadow challenge where it's kind of like a low buy where it helps you not want to make purchases. And we subtract a point every time we make a purchase, and we earn a point every time we use a palette 5 times in multiples of 5s, you get points. So here is the palette. I know you guys probably have seen this by now because I'm kind of like one of the last ones this month to get this palette, but it looks really gorgeous. Let me tell you, it's called the Velvet palette. Okay, and it comes in this really pretty color. Let's see, where is it? Okay, so it's retailed at $30. It says it's a molten metal and matte looks. Is that what you can create with this palette? It says featuring a mix of hyper metallic and soft shimmers and velvety smooth mattes. Innovative powder formulated delivers high pigment and super soft application. So that sounds really nice. Like they really tried to make it comfortable to apply. I just want to swatch maybe one of each formulas here. So I'm gonna go with the really glittery one right here. It has like micro glitters in it. Then I'm gonna go with a more like shimmery type right here. Ooh, that is smooth. And then I'm gonna go with a matte. So I'll go with this matte right here, and I'll give you guys some swatches. And that was, oh, and there's no names. And there's no names on the back. Okay, well, that makes it easy. The no name ones. There's a glittery one with the micro glitters. And then here's the matte. So I think I'm really gonna like these 2 formulas. The glitter one, not so much, but it looks really pretty, like your skin is like wet. So that's actually really nice, but not a big fan of the glitters, you guys. I did have some ColourPop Super Shock shadows in my inner corner earlier. They already like came out. I rubbed my eyes. I'm missing the eyeshadow under my eyes today. A bunch of stuff has came off because, you know, I was just really tired today. And the glitter from the Super Shock is like kind of like right here in the crease of my eyes. You probably can't see it because of the lighting, but yeah, so not really big fan of the glitters, but it is really pretty. I think in the summer, the glitters will look really nice in the sun. It gives like a nice sheen kind of look, sparkly sheen. And then the other 2 formulas are super soft. They are really pigmented and nice, so that's nice to have. And that is it, you guys, for my Boxy Charm for January. And I did say I am canceling this month. At least I think I am. We'll see, you guys. I don't know what to do. I really want to keep it, but the money, I just can't justify spending money for more makeup and skincare when I have a lot. So yeah, I think that is it for my Boxy charm. This is my last one, you guys. I think I just made up my mind. So thank you so much for hanging out with me, coming by and watching my video. I do appreciate you guys taking the time. Please give this a thumbs up if you liked, and subscribe if you do like my channel. And I'll talk to you guys in the next one. Bye.